This is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and in this video I'll show how you can move your contacts from SIM card to device storage. So to begin, you will need to launch the phone app, then here select the contact section. Now tap at these three dots, go into Manage Contacts interface. Here, well, select either Import, Export or Move Contacts option. Doesn't matter really, I'll go with Move Contacts for example. The Move Contacts option is different from import or export options in the way that once your contacts will be transferred, they will be erased from your SIM card. So if you would like to keep them on both SIM and internal storage, select another option, alternative one, either import or export. So here select in the where to move your contacts from, select your SIM card, select what contacts you would like to transfer with you. Done. Then select where to move these contacts to. Select your phone, move, and that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.